Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine in your home. Be safe, okay? So, have you enjoyed your online learning classes? Good. Now, we are going to start our new chapter number 5, Beautiful World of Birds. In previous chapter, we have learned about plants and animals. Now we are going to learn about beautiful world of birds. We are going to learn about birds, how they live, their world, their feather, how they fly, everything about birds. So in the starting of this chapter, here is a table is given. Okay. In this table, here it is written that name the birds you have seen. Also take the place where you have seen. So you have to do this activity by yourself. But I have done this activity to explain you how you have to do it. Okay. In this activity, in this table you have to write the bird's name, where you have seen the bird. Okay, you have to done by this activity by yourself, where you have seen the birds in your house, flying in the sky, on a tree, in water. So this activity is done by yourself. Okay, take the help of your mother, but if you want to do this, then you can see here birds name parrot and pigeon. I have seen this bird in my house and flying in the sky also. Eagle flying in the sky, not in my house, flying in the sky. Now duck, swan, flying. Swan I have seen flying in the sky and duck in water. Sparrow flying in the sky on a tree. So you have to done this activity like this. Okay. Now all the birds have wings and two legs. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. A bird's body consists of head, trunk, wings, legs and a tail. So birds have wings and two legs. Okay, birds have wings to fly. With the help of these wings, birds can fly. So birds have wings to fly. They have two legs. All the birds have two legs. Okay. Now a bird's body consists of head, trunk, wings, legs and a tail. This is the part of a bird's body. Bird bodies consist of head, trunk, wings, legs and tail. Okay. In this picture you have seen the bird's body. Its wings, flight feathers, tail, toe, claw, trunk, beak and eye. So these are the parts of a bird's body. Okay. You have seen two legs and feather. As I told you, the birds have two legs and feather wings, which the bird used for flying. Okay. Now what helps a bird to fly? So we all know that birds can fly. They have wings for fly. So what helps a bird to fly? What? Here is the answer is given. First, a bird flies with the help of its wings. A bird flies with the help of its wings. The wings have feathers attached to them. पंख, इसको पंख बोलते हैं. The wings have feathers. These are the feathers जो अलग अलग तुमको दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना. These are the feather attached to the to them, which helps the birds to fly. Okay. Now second, it has a boat shaped body which helps it to fly in the air easily. They have boat shaped body. It means conical. बोट हमने देखा है ना, फर्स्ट में स्टार्टिंग में कोन जैसा रहता है, लास्ट में भी. क्यों? Because this boat shaped body helps the bird to fly in the sky. This boat shaped body helps the bird to fly in the sky. Okay. Now third one, its bones are hollow and filled with air. This makes it light. द बर्ड्स बोन्स आर हॉलो. बोन्स के अंदर कुछ नहीं होता है. इन ह्यूमन बॉडी द बोन्स आर फिटेड विथ बोन मैरो. अ रेड टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल इज देयर. ओके, बोन मैरो बोलते हैं उसको. बट द birds bones are hollow filled with air which makes their body light weight to fly in the sky. Okay, we the human beings are so वेट ना, हम लोग का वेट ज़्यादा होता है. सो वी आर नॉट एबल टू फ्लाई. हमारे पास विंग्स भी नहीं होती, तो हम उड़ेंगे कैसे. बट इन केस ऑफ बर्ड्स देयर बोन्स आर हॉलो. हॉलो मतलब खाली होते हैं. उनके बोन्स में कुछ नहीं होता, उनके अंदर में सिर्फ एयर होता है. विच मेक्स देयर बॉडी लाइट वेट एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ विंग्स दे आर एबल टू फ्लाई इन द स्काई. ओके, नाउ फोर्थ वन. A bird has strong muscles that move the wings up and down. These are called as flight muscles. The birds have strong muscles which makes them able to move their wings up and down. Okay, कोई ऐसे ही नहीं उड़ता. वो विंग्स क्या होती है, ये जो विंग्स होती है ये अप डाउन होते हैं. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स विच मेक्स द बर्ड एबल टू fly. The birds have strong muscles which helps to make the wings up down, which makes the bird able to fly. Okay, now this muscles is called flight muscles. This muscles is called flight muscles. Now fifth one, its tails helps to change its direction during flight. Ab, what is the use of this tail? This tails helps the bird to change the direction. डायरेक्शन मतलब उनको किस दिशा में जाना है. तो कौन हेल्प करता है, ये टेल हेल्प करता है बर्ड्स को कि हमको इस डायरेक्शन में, हमको ईस्ट में जाना है, उसको ईस्ट में जाना है, कि उसको वेस्ट में जाना है, उसको नॉर्थ में जाना है, कि उसको साउथ एरिया में जाना है. सो बर्ड्स को ये टेल, दिस टेल हेल्प्स द बर्ड टू चेंज देयर डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो दिस टेल हेल्प्स द बर्ड टू फ्लाई. So here are 5 important points which makes birds to fly, which helps bird to fly. Their wings, their boat-shaped body, hollow bones, flight muscles, and their tails. These are the 5 important parts of the birds which makes the bird to fly. Now, types of feather. Birds have different types of feathers. Some of them are here. So let's start this topic. Types of feathers. A bird's body is covered with feathers. We all know that all over the bird's body it's covered with feathers. Feather किसको बोलते हैं, देखो पंखुड़ी इस टाइप का रहता है वो. Okay, the bird's body is covered with feathers. Different birds have feathers of different colors. Birds have mainly 3 types of feathers. So here it is written that different birds have different color of feathers. You can imagine parrot. Parrot has green color of feather. Okay, now pigeon. Pigeon has white color or gray color of feather. These are the common bird which we have seen in our daily life. Okay, parrot and pigeon. Pigeon का green color का feather होता है और पैरट का ग्रीन कलर का फेदर होता है. और वहीं पे पिजन को देखो, उसका ग्रे कलर का होता है और एल्स वाइट कलर का फेदर होता है. सेम क्रो, कौवा जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में क्रो, इट्स फेदर इज ब्लैक इन कलर. सो यू कैन इमेजिन द बर्ड्स. सो इट इज क्लियरली प्रूव दैट द बर्ड्स हैव डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ फेदर्स. ओके, सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कलर द बर्ड्स एंड देयर टाइप्स, दे आर ऑफ मेनली 3 टाइप ऑफ फेदर. फ्लाइट फेदर्स, down feathers, and body feathers. 3 type of feathers are flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. Listen carefully students. Birds का feather का color अलग अलग होता है. On the basis of their types, the feathers has been divided into 3 types: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. So let's start this topic. First one, flight feathers. Some feathers are long and flat. Okay, some feathers are very long and they are flat. Flat मतलब जैसे ये बुक का surface है ना, flat like this. This surface is flat, so the feathers are also like flat. They remain attached to the wings and the tail. So this type of feathers remains attached to the wings of the bird and with their tails like this, their wings and the tails. Okay, they help the bird to fly and are called flight feathers. So this type of birds helps the bird to fly, so they are called as flight feathers. So this type of feather are called as flight feathers. क्या क्या features हैं इसके? These feathers are long and flat. Okay, second, they are attached to the wings and the tails of the bird. To the wings and the tails of the bird, they help the bird to fly, are called flight feathers. These feathers helps the bird to fly, are called flight feathers. इसके तीन features हैं. They are very long and flat. They attach to the wings and the tail, which helps the bird to fly. Okay, now see the picture. The flight feathers are like this. A flight feathers long है, flat है, and this feather attached to the wings, attached to the bird to fly. Okay, are called flight feathers. वो ऐसा दिखता है. Clearly दिख रहा है. These are long and flat. Okay, now second one, down feathers. Some feathers are short and soft. They act like a warm sweater. Some feathers are short and soft. The feathers are short, छोटे होते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा soft होते हैं. ठीक है. They act like a warm sweater. जिसमें भी ये डाउन feathers होते हैं, they act like a warm sweater. उनके लिए गरम करते हैं उनकी बॉडी को. They heat up their bodies. They keep the bird's body warm in cold weather. Simply, so this type of feathers are found in the cold. This type of feathers of birds are found in colder region because they keeps the bird's body warm in cold weather. This is a down feather. देखो ऐसा रहता है, soft, short, and they act like a sweater, cold, warm sweater. They keeps the bird's body warm in the cold weather. ऐसा रहता है वो. See the picture. It is a down feather. Okay, now so down feather have two characteristics. First, they are short and soft. Second, they act like a warm sweater to keep the bird's body warm in a colder region. Okay, colder weather में these feathers keep the bird's body warm. Okay, now second one, body feathers. Body feathers are cover the body of the bird. They give shape to the bird's body. This body feather बोलने से ही समझ में आ रहा है कि this type of feathers found in all over the body of the birds. Not only the wings area, not only in the tail area, but all over the body of the birds, and they give shape to the bird's body. Due to this feather, the bird's body have a proper shape. It gives a shape to the bird's body. Like our muscles gives to shape to our body. Like that only this body feathers give shape to the bird's body. Okay, so I'm giving you a recap. Types of feathers. Feathers are of three types. First, flight feathers. Second, down feathers. Third, body feathers. Flight feathers are long and flat. They helps the birds to fly, so they are called as flight feathers. Second, down feathers. They are short and soft. They keeps the bird's body warm in cold weather. Okay. Third, down feathers. They are the feathers in all over the bird's body and they give shape to the bird's body. This is a down feather. This is a flight feather and this is, it is a down feather, this is a flight feather and it is a body feather. These three types of feathers are there which are present in the bird's body. Okay. So student, there are three types of feather. We have discussed flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. Flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. Okay. These three types of feathers are found in the bird's body which make them fly. Now, birds fly to different extents. So not every birds fly in their same extent. कुछ थोड़ा कम उड़ते हैं, कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचा उड़ते हैं. So different birds fly in a different extent. So here are some birds which fly for different extents. Let's discuss about this bird. A crane and a pigeon. The crane and the pigeon fly over long distance. Okay, they are not able to fly too high, but they can fly for a long distance. Okay, in now the modernization will come. कि हम उस SMS भेज देते हैं. We have mobiles, laptop, internet and everything to pass our messages. But in ancient time there is no mobile, no internet, nothing. So this pigeon is used to pass the message from one particular place to different particular place which covered long distance. Okay, this pigeon is used to pass the messages. So the crane and the pigeon fly over long distance. They are not able to fly so high in the sky, but they are able to fly through a long distance. दूर तक ये जाके उड़ सकते हैं. Okay, now second one, a cock, a hen. The cock and the hen and the hen fly over very short distance. So they are not able to fly very long distance. They are able to fly very short distance. They are also not fly very high in the sky, but they fly for a short distance. थोड़े दूर के लिए उड़ पाते हैं, ज़्यादा उड़ नहीं पाते हैं. ठीक. Now an eagle, a vulture. The eagle and the vulture fly at a great height. They both are able to fly at a great height. Okay, बहुत ऊंचा उड़ते हैं आसमान में. They are able to fly at a great height in the sky. लंबा नहीं उड़ पाते. They are not able to fly for a long distance, but they are able to fly at a great height. Now fourth one, a sparrow, a bulbul. Sparrow and bulbul. Sparrow is a common bird which you have seen in your house or home also. Now the sparrow and the bulbul fly at a low height. These are the birds which can fly at a low height. Okay, ये ज़्यादा ऊंचा नहीं उड़ पाते आसमान में. इनकी they are not able to fly at a very high height, but they can fly with a low height. So there are 4 types of birds which can fly at a different extent. First, a crane and a pigeon. They can fly over a long distance. Second, a cock, a hen. The cock and the hen fly over a short distance. Third, a eagle. The eagle and the vulture fly at a great height. ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचा उड़ सकते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा high in the sky. And fifth one, a sparrow and a bulbul. The sparrow and the bulbul fly at a low height. So there are the 4 different, and so many birds are there, but only the common example are given in your book. Common examples are given in your book. These are the birds which can fly at a different extents. Okay, now page turn. Birds that do not fly at all. One more thing is there. Some are the birds which do not fly at all, like penguin and an ostrich. These are the 2 birds. They are not able to fly at all. So some birds do not fly at all. They move on land with the help of their legs. They are called flightless birds. Kiwi, ostrich, penguin and emu are the flightless birds. So some of the birds are not able to fly at any extent. So they move on the land. These birds are called as flightless bird. These type of birds are called as flightless bird. Flightless means जो उड़ नहीं पाते, जो सिर्फ चलते हैं. They are not able to fly in the sky. So these type of birds are called as flightless bird. Example are there: kiwi, ostrich, penguin and emu are the flightless bird. Now aquatic birds. Aquatic birds are also there. There are many birds that spend most of their time in water. So there are so many birds, they spend most of the time in the water itself. They also fly in the sky, but they spend most of the time in the water. These birds are called aquatic birds. These birds are called, what they are called as? They are called as aquatic birds. Like aquatic animals, aquatic plants, aquatic birds are also there. Aquatic animals, the animals which live in water. Aquatic plants, the plants which grow in water. And aquatic birds, the birds which live in water. Most of the time spend in water, they live in water, so they are called as aquatic birds. They have oil glands. Okay, their body have oil glands. ग्लैंड्स मतलब हमारी बॉडी में जो ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप के ग्लैंड्स होते हैं. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड हुआ, विच हेल्प्स द बॉडी टू मेंटेन द बॉडी इम्यूनिटी ग्रोथ. These are called as glands. You can study this gland in higher level. So the bird's body have oil glands that keep their feathers waterproof. So they have oil glands in their body which makes their feathers waterproof. अगर वो पानी में रहेंगे, if they are not waterproof, तो उनके feathers गीले हो जाएंगे, wet हो जाएंगे, so they are not able to fly. So these oil glands make their body waterproof, their feathers waterproof. Okay, the oil from these glands prevent their feathers from getting wet. So these oil helps the bird's feathers to not getting wet. गीले होने से बचाता है उनको. Simple, in a simple word you can say the oil helps the bird to not to wet. गीले होने से बचाता है. Okay, examples are there. Ducks, swans, gulls, pelicans and cranes are aquatic birds. These are the example of aquatic birds. They have webbed toes, feet that help them to swim. They have this type of webbed feet, okay, which help them to swim. A pelican and a swan, they have webbed feet. Aquatic birds have webbed feet which help them to swim. Okay, now what do birds eat? Here it is a question is there. हम तो खाना खाते हैं, हमको पता है, पर ये birds क्या खाते हैं? What do the birds eat? Birds are there: parrot, vulture, duck. Different types of birds are there. Birds which live in which can fly. Birds which can fly very high in the sky. Parrot is a domestic bird, and a duck which lives in water. 3 different types of birds are there. What the birds eat? So first one, birds like sparrow, pigeon, peacock and finches eat hard nuts, grain and seeds. So these type of birds, sparrow, pigeon, peacocks and finches eat hard nuts. Nuts मतलब मूंगफली है ना, अखरोट, ये सब nuts में ही आते हैं. Grains and seeds. Seeds मतलब किसी भी चीज का बीज. Grains मतलब गेहूं, चावल. Cereals, pulses. Okay, cereals. Now second one, parrots and parakeets eat hard fruits and nuts. Parrots and parakeets are the birds which can eat hard fruits and nuts also. Third one, a duck likes to eat worms from the soft mud near the pond. A duck which lives in water, aquatic bird. Duck is aquatic bird which eat worms. कीड़े मकोड़े खाता है. जो नदी के किनारे, पॉन्ड्स के किनारे में जो कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं ना, उनको खाता है. Okay, these birds eat worms from the soft mud near the pond. Fourth, vultures and eagles and kites fed on the flesh of animals. जो animals मर जाते हैं, flesh of animals, जो animals मर जाते हैं, उनको ये खाते हैं. Vultures and eagle and other flies. Okay, kites. They eat on the flesh of animals. So there are 4 different types of category of animals which eat different types of things. First category, which eats hard nuts, grains and seeds. Example, sparrow, pigeon and peacock. Second one, parrots and parakeets which eat hard fruits and nuts. Third one, a duck likes eat to worms from the soft mud near the pond. कीड़े मकोड़े खाता है duck. Fourth one, vulture eats eagles and kites fed on flesh of animals. So here are the 4 type of categories of animal, different animals which eat different types of things. Okay students, now I am going to give you the recap of this chapter. You have to done this activity by yourself. I am already done this. If you want to copy this, you can copy from there also. So the birds have wings and two legs, as we the birds have wings and two legs, as we all know that. See the birds, every birds have two legs. Okay, so birds have two legs and wings. The body part is consist of eye, wings, flight, feathers, toe, tail, claw, beak, trunk. These are the parts of the bird's body. Now, what helps a bird to fly? So I have already taught you 5 types of things are present which makes the bird to fly. Basic 5 points. Wings, they have wings attached with the feather. Body, boat shaped body, hollow bones, flight muscles, and tail. These are the 5 parts of bird's body which helps the bird to fly. Now, types of feather. Birds have feather which helps their body to fly in the sky. So there are 3 types of feather, and they have the color of feathers are also different. So there are 3 types of feather. Flight feathers, which are long and flat and attached to the wings and the tail, and which helps the bird to fly. So they are called as flight feathers. Down feathers, they are short and soft and keep their body warm in the cold weather. And body feathers is cover all the body parts of the birds, है ना, and they give shape to their body. So there are 3 different types of body feathers are there present in the bird's body. And there are some birds which fly at a different extent. Crane and pigeon fly over long distance. Cock and hen can fly very short distance. And eagle and the vulture can fly very high, great height. And sparrow and bulbul can fly very short height. So there are some different types of birds which can fly over a different extent. Now, some flightless birds are also there which are not able to fly. They only move on land. So these birds are called as flightless bird, like penguin and ostrich, kiwi, emu. These birds are not able to fly, so they are called as flightless bird. Now the aquatic bird. Some aquatic birds are also there, like swan, pelican, gulls, cranes, duck. These birds are aquatic birds because they spend most of their time in water. Okay, they have webbed feet which makes them to fly, which makes them to swim in the water. Now, what's the bird eat? Some bird eats hard nuts and grains and seeds, like sparrow, pigeon, and peacock. Some birds eat fruits and nuts, like parrots and parakeets. Some, like ducks, like birds eat like worms which are present in the mud of the pond. Fourth, vulture and eagles and kites fed on the flesh of animal. मरे हुए जानवरों को खाते हैं. They are okay, flesh खाते हैं वो. So these type of birds are present. Next, rest of the part of this chapter we will discuss in our next class, like nest of the birds, and the exercise of the chapter we will discuss in next class. Hope this video helps to understand this chapter. Students, clearly listen. Clearly all the things are explained. Listen carefully. Whatever the problem and queries you have, discuss with me, and take care of yourself. Be safe in your home. Thank you.